Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So there is a video that has gone completely viral on TikTok and has left a lot of people shocked and asking serious questions about the professionalism and boundaries inside our prison. So here's what happened, you guys. A male prison warder from Westville Prison in Durban has been caught on camera hugging and kissing a female inward, you guys. Yes, you heard it right, a female inward. Now the video shows the two being quite affectionate outside what looks like one of the prison areas, you guys. The clip was reportedly filmed by someone inside the facility, and later it was posted and shared on all social media platforms. Now it is currently trending and making its rounds with thousands of views and comments. People online have been reacting with mixed emotions, of course. Some are calling for immediate disciplinary action, saying this is totally unprofessional, of course, and a violation of prison regulations, while others, however, are saying the two might have been in a relationship for a very long time and that the system should look deeper into what's really going on behind those prison walls. According to reports, Westville Prison is one of the largest correctional facilities in South Africa, and this kind of scandal raises major concerns about security, ethics, and discipline within the correctional service. While the Department of Correctional Service hasn't yet released a full statement, such behavior could lead to suspension, dismissal, or even criminal charges, depending on the investigation outcome. This story has definitely shaken the internet, and it's got many people wondering how something like this could happen in such a tightly controlled environment. What do you guys think? Should the water be fired, or do you think there's more to this story that we do not know yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and of course do not forget to like, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell so that you do not miss on the latest update stories, trending stories across South Africa, you guys. I will definitely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.